Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is countdown to blast off Supra. This is a Supra airdrop, guys. Like, this is the wait list. So the airdrop will be happening by January 2024. So here is how to verify your account for those that have registered. If you have not joined the wait list, click on the link on this video description now and then register, join their Discord, and then do your verification. The verification is now open for Nigerians, so all you have to do now is to follow the process. So I'm going to walk you through on how to verify your account. So let's get started now. So you see your country of residence. So I'm going to choose my country. You understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end so that you will not complicate issue. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency, so stay tuned while I walk you through. Please share this video so that others can also benefit from it. You understand? So after selecting your countries, you click on continue. Please continue here. Understand? So we click on say first name, last name. So I'm going to input my details now. So guys, I've actually inputted my first name and my last name. So I'm going to click on continue. You can actually see continue here now. So I'm going to click on continue. So when you click on continue now, this interface is actually going to show up. You can actually see that. So we're actually going to select our issuing country. So when you select your country, you choose your verification preference. You can use your passport, driver's license, or ID card. You understand? So I'm going to select ID card now. So it said submit identity card front. Take a photo of the front of your ID. So I'm going to take photos now. Make sure that you see this video to the end. So guys, after uploading your documents, so it's actually going to bring out this interface. We say take a selfie. We compare this with your document face forward, and make sure that your eyes are clearly visible. Remove your glasses. So I'm going to take a selfie now. So make sure that you see this video to the end. So guys, after uploading your selfie, it's actually going to bring out an interface that says thank you. Do you understand? So we're actually going to wait now. Let's give it a few minutes and let's see if they will verify us. So that's how to verify your account. So if you have not joined the waitlist, so do well to click on the link on this video description and join the waitlist and also verify your account. So there is possible airdrop by January. So you can scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're also going to benefit from. So that'll be all for now, guys. If I got my account verified, so I'm also going to do a video and show you guys. So that'll be all for now, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.